Variegator allows you to add variable data content to static PDF artwork files. And it has all the tools you'll need to make professional quality variable data jobs. In today's video, what we're going to do is produce a direct mail piece. And when we're done, it's going to look like this. It's got address, variable data address, mail barcode, a QR code, and a little bit of static text that we're going to place down here. So the assets that we're going to use to create this job will be a static PDF artwork file like that, and a CSV database with the name, address, city, state, zip, postcode, and some email addresses for a QR code that we'll place down in here. In the video, what you'll see is how we place the static artwork file, connect it to the database. We'll add some variable text. We'll use text alignment tools to make it look nice. And we'll also add variable data barcodes and that static text. To get started, we'll begin by opening a new document. And the one we're going to work with today happens to be a 4x6 landscape job, so we'll go ahead and get that set up. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and draw an image box that we can use to place our artwork file. And to get this aligned, we can use transform, and we can very accurately position that. Now we're going to go ahead and select the artwork file. There it is right there. Okay. Next, we'll connect the database. There it is right there. CSV database. We've got name, address, city, state, zip, postal code, and those email addresses we're going to use. We'll connect to that. Now what we're going to do is add 3 text variable data text fields right in here. Use our text tool. And we'll choose the source for that one. Name. And then to make things easy, let's adjust that up a little bit. Go ahead and copy that. I don't have to worry about getting these perfectly aligned. We'll take care of that in a minute. We'll get 3 text fields here. This one is going to be our address. This one, city, state, zip. Okay, good. Now, next thing, we'll select all of those and then use our align tool to justify them left. There, that pulled that in nicely. And then we can evenly distribute them by using that tool right there. Yeah, little tweak. Good. Now what we need to do is add the QR code for those email addresses. We're going to put that right in here. And for that, we're going to select QR. And our source is going to be email. Okay, that was easy. One little thing we probably ought to do is set that to fit in box so that that box size doesn't change with those different email addresses. Now what we're going to do is add some static text. We'll put a little box down in here, and we'll use today's date. Let's use it this way. Okay, that's a little big for this. We kind of want to hide that down there. So we'll go to our character. Let's drop that down to 5 point and see how that looks. Yeah, that looks a little better. And then in paragraph, we can go ahead and center that so it'll look a little nicer. All right, that part looks good. For the last bit, we'll put a mailer barcode across the bottom of that field there. So we'll go ahead and grab the barcode tool again. And then we're going to select PostNet for this one. Where is it? There it is. And we'll connect that to our postal code. We'll get rid of the text, and we'll go ahead and adjust that. Maybe bring that down a little bit. Okay, now let's take a look and see how things are shaping up here. We can roll through this a little bit. Okay, looks pretty good. Final step will be to go ahead and print that. In here we have the ability to select printing static only, variable only, or both. And we'll do that for all records. We got 3,000 here. So what we're going to do is drop watcher, mailer, 05, 11, 20. And there it goes.